welcome back to my channel. Who are you? Get Bailey out of here. One sec. Get out. Get Bailey out. No, don't. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be finishing my little vending machine. So now what we're going to do is I added a different color because I didn't have like the red block they wanted. Now we're gonna add another third. To take these tiny little pieces, I think, yeah, of Legos. I found a black, and I think, shoot, I lost it. Good. I can't see my tongue structure bigger. Okay, read it. I figured it out. Okay, so it turns out you have to put this piece right in the middle. And then last time I did this, when I first got it, I messed it up. And it didn't work, so... Are you kidding me? I'm gonna have to try to find another. We're just gonna use a different color. So I can't find the dumb black one. So we're just gonna use a different color if I could ever find the thing I made. Because I just lost it. Look, I literally lost it. I have no idea. Oh, found it! Okay. I just lose a bunch of pieces. Oh, you can't see. There. Got it. And then I think you like put it. Get it. You put it like right here. Okay. Now let's read the instructions. Next page. I lost the page. I don't need to learn this. There. Next piece. Good. Next page. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is I think we're gonna add, this one. We're gonna put that. Gonna put it there. I lost what I was gonna do next. Oh. Then I think you take. Shoot! Got the wrong piece. You take this two piece, and then you hook it up right there. Then you hook it up right here. So sorry guys, but that's the end of my video. Wait, I don't have. I'll make a part 2. So this is how far we got. So bye.